Dear parents, please watch until the end because one simple shift in attention and focus could completely change how your children listen to you. There was a time when, because I said so, worked then, or did it. But today, even at 3 years old, children ask why. They are not being stubborn. They want to understand that they want to be understood. They want to feel heard. Challenges begin when parents respond with lectures and endless instructions. Slowly, trust fades. And when children do not feel heard at home, they start searching for attention elsewhere, often from voices that are not safe, because they are not you, and they might not know about your cultural, traditional, family, and ethical beliefs and values. Here's how to fix it. 1. Replace lectures with conversations. Talk with them, not at them. 2. Ask questions. Let them express what they are thinking and feeling. 3. Listen before speaking. Children trust those who hear them first. 4. Remember this advice from Dr. Richie Adewusi in his book, 7.5 Temptations Parents Face. You need to resist the temptation of delivering lectures instead of earning respect by listening and learning and sharing. 5. Build trust early. Strong connections now keep harmful outside voices away later. Share this with a parent who needs to hear it. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real parenting conversations. Not just hacks, but heart.